Good morning, students. Let me start today class. Today we are going to see exercise 2.7, third question. See, in an GP, geometric progression it is given 729, 243, 81 up to etc. In the geometric progression, we want to find the T7. That means seventh term we want to find. Okay. What is the seventh term we want to find? Okay. See. Now, solution. So earlier classes we have discussed about what is geometric progression and everything. Okay. So given GP you should write given GP 729, 243, 81 up to etc. We want to find the value of find T7. Okay. For that first you should write first term A is equal to 729. Then here geometric progression means common ratio want to find. Yes. So common ratio R is equal to second term divided by first term T2 by T1. So 243 by 729. You should cancel this ratio. You will receive 1 by 3. Okay. So you should cancel this. We will receive as a 1 by 3. Ratio is 1 by 3. Therefore, seventh term want to find. So we know that nth term of an GP. Nth term of an GP is Tn is equal to A r to the power n minus 1. So instead of n7, T7 only want to find. So T7. So A value is 729 of R value we received 1 by 3 power 7 minus 1 because n is 7. Okay, now 729 1 by 3 whole to the power 6. Okay, 7 minus 1 6. Now you are taking this 729 here 1 power 6 1, then denominator 3 power 6 value we will receive 729. Okay, 3 power 6. 6 is common for 1 and is 3. So that 1 power 6 1, then 3 power 6 729. Now 729 cancel means we will receive the answer is 1. Therefore T7 is equal to 1. Seventh term of the GP is 1. Okay, this geometric progression seventh term is 1. Okay, that's all answer. See next fourth question. Find x. Show that x plus 6, x plus 12 and x plus 15 are consecutive terms of an geometric progression. Okay. So question itself is given. It is a GP. Okay. Consecutive terms of an GP. Then we want to find the value of x. So see solution. First you should write if x plus 6, x plus 12, x plus 15 are in GP, geometric progression, means we know that what is the common ratio is equal. So common ratio equate means we will receive the value of x. Common ratio is equal. What is the common ratio? Second term divided by first term is equal to third term divided by second term. T3 by T2. Now you substitute x plus 12 divided by x plus 6 is equal to x plus 15 by x plus 12. So see, you should not cancel here x. Here 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. You should not cancel like that. Okay, it is wrong. Okay, so we cannot get cancelled. What want to do means you want to simplify this. Then means do cross multiplication. So x plus 12 into x plus 12 is equal to x plus 15 into x plus 6. This x plus 6 will go there. Now this x is how want to multiply this x, you take and multiply this both the number 12, you take and multiply this both the number like that. Right hand side also you should multiply like this. Now x into x squared plus 12 into x 12x plus 12 into x 12x, okay, plus 12 12s are 144 equal to x into x squared, okay, x into x squared plus x into 6 6x plus 15 into x 15x plus 6 15s are, okay, here sorry here plus 5x, sorry 15x, okay, plus should multiply 15 6 are, okay, 90. 15 6 are, you should multiply 90. Now simplify this. X squared plus 12x plus 12x you should add means 24x is equal to 140. Sorry, plus 144 is equal to, okay, this x squared, right hand side, x squared 6x plus 15x you should be added 21x plus 90 plus 90. Now both the side also what term will be common means x square term is common, so that both the side x squared term will get cancelled. Then means we will receive, okay, we will receive 24x plus 144 is equal to 21x plus 90. Now plus 21x this side comes, 144 will go that side. So you should separate means we will get, so 24x minus 21x is equal to 90 minus 144. Now subtract plus 3x. 3x is equal to this, you should subtract means minus 54 you will get. Minus 54. So we need the value of x. Therefore x is equal to 3 will go down. Minus 54 by 3. You should cancel this. We will receive the answer is minus 18. Okay, so using this three terms in GP, we receive the value of x is 18. Okay, that's all. See, next question, fifth one. Find the number of terms in the following GP. How many terms are there in the GP? Okay, here 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 up to etc. 1 by 2187. So in the GP totally how many terms are there, number of terms are there, we want to find. Okay, see second point this is. So first you should write given GP solution. Given GP 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27, up to etc. 1 by 2187. Want to find number of terms, n want to find number of terms in GP. Okay, n want to find n. So in AP means n formula is there. Yes, arithmetic progression means n is equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. Yes, that formula use means we will receive the answer. Here there is no n formula. Okay, then means this is a term 1, term 1, term 2, term 3 up to etc. This is term, nth term, Tn. Okay, consider this last term is considered as a Tn. Okay, because we do not know n what how, okay, how many terms are there, we do not know, that only we want to find. So this considered as the last one is Tn. Okay, then means Tn formula we know. So you should write given here first term A is equal to 1 by 3. GP means common ratio want to find. So common ratio R is equal to T2 by T1. So 1 by 9 divided by 1 by 3. Okay, this how want to cancel, want to take reciprocal. 1 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 1. Cancel means we will receive the answer is 1 by 3. So ratio we received as a 1 by 3. Okay, and here it is given that Tn, 10th term is Tn is equal to 1 by 2187. Okay, so already we know that Tn formula A r to the power n minus 1. A r to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2187. Use, okay, this formula, because Tn formula is we know that use. Now substitute the value of A and R. Okay, substitute means A value is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 of R also we received 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 of power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2187. Okay, this you should write. Now next step, you see here we want to simplify. Here 1 by 3 power n minus 1 alone you keep this side. 1 by 3 power n minus 1 is equal to this division 3, that side go means multiplication 3. So 1 by 2187 into 1 by 3, that side go 3 by 1. Now 1 by 3 whole to the power n minus 1. These 3 table you cancel means 1 by 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6, remaining 2, 9 3s are 27. So 729 you will receive. So this we can change it as 1 by 3 whole to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 power 6. Okay, this we can change it as 729. We can change it as a 3 power 6. So see this how we can change means 1 power anything 1 only, so that we can change 1 by 3 whole to the power n minus 1 left hand side. This we can change it as a whole term 1 by 3 whole to the power 6, because 1 power anything 1 only, so that I change into this 1 by 3 whole power 6. Now here both also, okay, both side base is equal, okay, here both sides base, this is base, this is power, so base is equal, so power also equal. So you equate means n minus 1 is equal to 6 you will get. 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Base is equal, power also equal means n minus 1 is equal to 6. N is equal to 6 minus 1, that's why go means plus 1. So you should add n is equal to 7. So given GP, there are how many terms are there totally? Totally 7 terms are there. In that 7th term will be, what is that? 1 by 2187. Okay. So like that want to find. So we know Tn formula. Using the Tn formula, I receive the answer. So given GP, there are 7 terms are there. Therefore, n is equal to 7. See next 6th one. In a GP, the 9th term is 32,805 and 6th term is 1215. Find the 12th term. Okay. So see, in a GP 9th term and 6th term it is given. Using these two terms, first want to find first term and common ratio. Okay, then only we can find the 12th term is what will be. Okay, here 9th term, 6th term it is given. Using that, first want to find first term and common ratio. With the help of first term and common ratio, we can find T 12th term. 12th term means T12 is equal to. Already know that in a GP Tn formula, a r to the power n minus 1. Yes. So using that formula, we will receive the answer T 12th term. Okay. So you see now this solution. First, here it is given first term in a GP. In a GP, 9th term means T9 is equal to 32,805. So sixth term is 1215. Okay, this two it is given. So now we know that this is keep it as 1, this is keep it as 2, or else just you write given this. Now we know that in a GP, Tn is equal to, what is the formula? A r to the power n minus 1. A r to the power n minus 1. So first one you take T9. T9 is 32,805. Now T9 means A r to the power 9 minus 1. So 32,805. So A r to the power, because here n is 9. So 9 minus 1. Okay. So 9 minus 1, 8. A r power 8 is equal to 32,805. This keep it as equation 1. Okay. Next T6 is equal to 1215. So A r to the power 6 minus 1 is equal to 1215. Left hand side want to apply the formula. Now A r power 5. 6 minus 1, 5. 1215. This is keep it as equation 2. Okay, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now, the solving this equation 1 and 2, we will receive the value of, okay, we will receive the value of r, because a will cancel. So, it means you want to divide, okay, divide by equation, divide by equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 and 2 you should divide 1 by 2. So you are dividing this A r power 8 divided by A r power 5 is equal to 32,805 by 1,215. Okay, so like that want to divide. Now here A cancel. Here power only want to cancel. Base is equal. Power want to subtract. Okay, power you should subtract means you see A R power. A cancel. So left hand say R power 8 minus 5 we will get. Okay, A power m divided by A power n, A power m minus n. Okay, power formula here. So the Gaussian formula this. So 8 minus 5. This side you should cancel this. Okay, 32,805 you should divide it by 1,215 means. Okay, we will receive the answer. We will receive the answer 1027. Sorry, here you should cancel this. We will receive 27. Now this r cube 8 minus 5 3. R cube is equal to 27. So r cube is equal to 27. We convert into cube means 3 cube. Okay, because 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 3 cube. Therefore here power is equal, base also equal. Therefore this implies r we will receive as a 3. Okay, power is equal, base also equal, r we received as a 3, r is equal to 3, substitute in any one of the equation, then only you will receive the value of a. So r is equal to 3, substitute in 2, because second equation only easy equation, so that you substitute here. So a r power 5 is equal to 1215. A of r is 3, 3 power 5 is equal to 1215. Okay, now 3 power 5 value we will receive a into 243 is equal to 1215. Now 1215, this 243 will go down. So you should divide means a is equal to 1215 divided by 243. This you should cancel. We will receive the answer is a is equal to 5. Okay, now r and a value we received, therefore now we want to find 12th term. Therefore find T12. So we know that Tn is equal to a r to the power n minus 1. Already we wrote formula. So T12. So instead of n, 12. So 12 of a is 3. Yes, sorry, a is 5. 5 of, okay, r value only we received as a 3. So 3 power 12 minus 1. So 5 into 5 of, okay, 5 into 3 power 11. Okay, this is the answer, final answer. 12 minus 1, 11. 3 power 11, no need to simplify. We can write it as it is. We can write as it is. This is the 12th term. So given GP using results we received as a first term and common ratio, and we received the answer is 12th term. The 12th term is 5 into 3 power 11. Okay, that's all. See next 7th one. Find the 10th term of an GP whose 8th term is 768 and the common ratio is 2. Okay, easy. Here common ratio is given. Only using this 8th term we want to find the value of A. Okay, see solution. Then we can find the value of T10. Now given T8 is equal to 768 and common ratio r is equal to 2. Okay, common ratio r is equal to 2. We want to find 10th term of a GP, that is T10 want to find. So first for that we know that formula Tn is equal to a r to the power n minus 1. Now use this. Now T8 is equal to, now T8 value is 768. Now T8 means a r to the power 8 minus 1 is equal to 768. Now a r power 7 is equal to 768. We know the value of r 2 power 7. Okay, R value is 2. So 2 power 7 is equal to 768. Okay. So next 2 power 7 means 128. Okay. See, A 2 7 times multiply means we will get 128. So A into 128 is equal to 768. Now we need the value of A means 768 divided by 128. So this 128 will go down. Now this 2 you should cancel this. We will receive the answer A is equal to 6. Okay, we will receive the value of A is equal to 6. That's all. Here A and common ratio. Using common ratio, we receive the value of A. Now here A and R is there. Then we want to find the value of 10th term. Therefore, T10 is equal to, okay, T10 is equal to A R to the power n minus 1. So A is 6, R is 2, n is 10. 10 minus 1. So 6 times of 2 power 8. 10 minus 1, sorry, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. Now, see, therefore 6 into 2 power 9. 2 9 times you should multiply means 512. Okay, 512. So answer we will receive that answer is 3072. So this is the T10th term. So 10th term of a GP is 3072. So it is simplification. Easy means you want to simplify. Okay, 2 power or 3 power. Okay, below 10. Power is below 10 means you should simplify. You should simplify and convert the answer and write it. Suppose more than 10 means power is more than 10 it is given means no need to simplify. You should write as it is. Okay. So before some we wrote as it is because 3 power 11 came. So that I wrote as it is. Here 2 power 9. So I have simplified and received the answer. Okay. That's all.